Welcome back. In the previous video I gave regarding the cofactor elements. So how to find a cofactor as well as which depends upon minor. So minor and cofactor already were discussed and exercise 4.4 was given as homework for you. So today we'll start with the new concept, that is the adjoint of a square matrix. How to find the adjoint. And in the previous video I think even I showed it in the textbook also. A simple clue I gave you, it's a transpose of cofactor matrix. Got it? So to begin with here, definition part, adjoint of a square matrix A. That means it is once again a matrix only. So adjoint of a square matrix A, it is the transpose of the matrix formed by cofactors of the elements of A. What are the cofactors we are going to find out? List out all the cofactors once again. Ella cofactors nu kandu hididu avanu tirga on matrix alli barkoli. That matrix is called as cofactor, but this cofactor matrix transpose is called as adjoint, denoted by this symbol, adjoint of A. So that is definition. The same thing I have given here in the symbol. So adjoint of A is A11, A12, A13. They are nothing but the cofactors, and followed by all the elements are taken here. So transpose, it implies exactly, I have to go for transpose. This transpose word you people have come across in the previous chapter, matrix chapter, where first two elements will be taken as first column, that is A11, followed by A12, first row as first column. It is A13. Second row as second column, that is A21, A22, it is A23. Third row as third column, I should say it is A31, A32 as well as A33. So this type of matrix arrangement is called as adjoint of the square matrix A. Got it? Fine. So few important properties to be remembered here. And this one would have discussed in the first video only. I mean, when we go for definition of determinant. But at a stretch, I have given you all these note. So the first point to be remembered, whenever we go for determinant of A into B, two matrices to be multiplied. Of course, for multiplication, we know it very well. Those two matrices should be of the same order. And determinant ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ definitely determinant exists for a square matrix. So I have to put a condition, or the given data should be A and B should be square matrix, and both should be of the same order. So then and only then determinant of AB exists. So the note says here, determinant of AB is always equal to its determinant of A, find out determinant of A, as well as determinant of B, multiply the product of this itself is as good as determinant of AB. Okay, so I given here this symbol, whereas even you can make use of, because you people are much familiar with this symbol, determinant of AB. Don't say it is mod, it is determinant. When A and B are matrices, got it? This symbol matra determinant ge hogutte, adu mod hogalla. So this should be equal to, this is determinant of A into determinant of B. So one more important note to be remembered on determinant. Determinant of a matrix A is same as determinant of its transpose. So transpose ni tagondo other the determinant value tagodru kuda the value will remain same. Got it? Even you can verify. Even yavudaru example na tagondo idu ಬೇಕಾ verification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. Got it? Fine. So based on adjoint, very important property to be remembered. The first, okay, 3 we have here, and definitely numerical sums, even the exercise also you can find it. Verify ante property ne kodta nodi. This property as well as this property. They'll ask you to verify for A is a matrix given, and the verify this property anta kodtare. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹುಕ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರೂಕ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. So numerical sums ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to say that A into adjoint of A is definitely equal to adjoint of A into A is definitely equal to its determinant value into I. I stands for what? It is identity matrix. NP the identity matrix where you say elements are 2 cross 2 ittu antandre 1 0 0 1. 3 cross 3 order matrix na ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ elements are 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, isn't it? Yeah. So shortly we'll go for numerical sums based on this. So remember, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ disprove ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So one more property to be remembered regarding adjoint. Adjoint of A into B. Product ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು then if I'll go for adjoint, that is always equal to, be careful, it is adjoint of B, not A. Adjoint of B into adjoint of A. ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that result is definitely equal to adjoint of A into B. One more, adjoint of transpose is same as adjoint of A ಮಾಡಿ then you have to go for the transpose. So remember these properties, got it? And remember how to find the adjoint. What's the definition here? So to begin with here, numerical point of view, how the questions will be given. The question is, find the adjoint of the square matrix where the elements are 2 5 1 3 1 2 and 4 3 1. To find the adjoint, once again you have to remember, you have to go for cofactor only. So the question comes, how to find cofactor? I hope in the previous video you people have come across how to find cofactor. You prepare a chart. For the first row, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, it's A31, A32, A33, and you will be proceeding for the Shankar-Pade rule. Minus, 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 minus. ಈ 4 elements ಮಾತ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ತಗೋತೀರಾ. Okay, fine. So once you have prepared for this, now you can go for something called A11. You have to close the corresponding column and the row. ಈ 4 elements ನ ಮಾತ್ರ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, and you go for once again determinant of this. So to find determinant, if you are comfortable, you can once again write here 1 2 3 1. Otherwise straight you can perform it, which I discussed in the previous video also. So ಹೇಗೆ perform ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? It is 1, product is 6, sign change ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು -6. So that we are left out with -5. 1 2. To begin with this, ಈ element na close. Left out elements, if you are comfortable, once again you can write 3 2 4 1 like this. Be careful, minus has to be taken. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಮೈನರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಇಂತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. So let's perform it here. Minus, be careful, keep it outside. Here we find 3. This is again our determinant value, so sign has to balance here. Actually plus 8, say -8. So we're left out with here difference, -5, outside minus, so I should say it is +5. So A13. To find out A13 here, close it. Okay, if you want, you can go for this step also once again. Let me do it straight away. Our practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it's easy for you also. Your speed will increase. So close the corresponding row and the column here. We're left with 3 3s and 9 -4. Shall I? It is 9 -4. I should say 5. Now A21. Second row, first column. I should say 5 -3. Minus to be kept as it is. 5 -3. So we have 2, but outside I should say it's -2. Followed by I should say A22. Close it. I find 2 -4. So it is 2 -4. It is -2. A23. Close. 3 2s are 6 minus. Okay. It is 6 minus. We have 20. Isn't it? Yeah. So this result goes to now. It is a +14. Followed by, I should say it is A31. Close the corresponding row and the column. 10 -1. Shall I? So we have 9. Followed by A32. Close. We have 2 2s are 4 -3, which results to -1. Be careful about the calculation. A33. Last element left out. Close it. 2 -15. Okay. So we are left out with the result -30. So once we have done, now list out all these cofactors once again. Okay, here I have taken here, okay, adjoint of A, So first row cofactors minus 5, 5 and 5. Minus 2 and 14. 9 minus 1 and minus 13. Okay. So transpose of this. So this should be taken for transpose. I mean it is first row I'll go for as first column. Minus 5, 5, 5. Minus 2, 14. It is 9 minus 1 minus 13. This itself is called as adjoint. So according to the question we had done it. Find the adjoint. So this is the answer. Got it? So they can ask you adjoint. Meanwhile, adjoint na kanhididu even they can ask you to go for verify this property antanu kuda kelbodu. Andre A anno matrix anna adjoint of A joti multiply madidre, you know how to multiply two matrices? Multiplication of two matrices, you know it, no? Previous chapter matrix we have done it. Or the reverse, it is always equal to determinant into I anno property, something special property we have. Whereas to go for this property, I require one more matrix B. Okay, so ಈ ಸದ್ಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ find the adjoint, we have done it accordingly. So to begin with, few more numerical sums to be done on adjoint. So one more question I have given here. Find the adjoint of A. The elements are accordingly. Okay, so start performing it here. The chart I have prepared, and you have to, as I mentioned earlier, minus of, isn't it? You have to go for this. And perform it. You find the elements to be minus 7, 1, 1. You can verify 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 and 1. Transpose, which I have taken here. First row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. Whereas you have to fill up all these columns. Then you go for the adjoint, is a transpose of all these cofactor elements. Transpose itself is adjoint. So solve this question. Give a pause and solve this question. Okay. Calculation part, you have to be careful. So, third question, okay, for practice I given here one more. 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 7, 1 minus 1, 1. Please solve it systematically and confirm the answer, verify the answer. This should be the answer. Now, these examples which are done, they are for 3 cross 3 order. Let me perform one example for 2 cross 2 order. See, 2 cross 2 order also, once again, you can prepare the chart like this, what we have done earlier. But in short, also we can go for the 2 cross 2. In 2 cross 2, see this elements A, first row, first column. First row, first column, this element, minor is going to be this only, D. Isn't it? D. This element, minor is going to be C. This element, minor is going to be B. This element, minor I am discussing, is going to be A. Whereas we know it very well, sign is changed for these two elements for 2 cross 2 order. For 2 cross 2 order. So this is minus C. This is minus B. So once we go for transpose of this, I find it to be, it is D, first row as first column. This is minus B and this is A. Isn't it? Fine. So now just have a glance on the given matrix now. Nodi, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ compare ಮಾಡಿ. This as well as adjoint, the final answer. I find that these two principal diagonal elements are reversed. Can you make a note? Left out elements B and C, these two elements are as it is only, but only sign has been replaced. Sign matra change agide. So for 2 cross 2 order matrix, ee step anna barilebekantilla, straight we can go for adjoint, and the rule is principal diagonal elements na reverse madi. So I should say it is 2, I should say it is 3. Whereas non-principal diagonal elements hegide hage bariri. Ide minus 2 idre minus 2 ne bariri, 2 idre 2 ne bariri. But sign change ಮಾಡಿ bariri. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Sign change, it is plus 2. Sign change, it is minus 2. This is the answer. So this itself is the adjoint. No more transpose now. Don't do that. So this I was discussing on minor cofactor. Then I came here. So this step you can skip it now. Henceforth, what is the rule to be done for 2 cross 2? Principal diagonal elements na ulta D and A. Non-principal diagonal elements hegide hage bariri. But plus idre minus ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus ಇದ್ರೆ plus ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This itself is a final adjoint. So same I performed it here also. Now let's go for this example. Here, principal elements I should say this is 5, this is 2. Left out minus 3 and this should be taken as sign change minus 2. This is the answer. No more equal to. This is adjoint. Final answer. This should be the answer. So for 2 marks, for 2 cross 2 order, this question can be given for 1 mark. 2 marks kotre, I think this step you can extend and then you can conclude this as an answer. Now one question I have given here for verification of the property. If A is a matrix, B is a matrix, then we verify this property adjoint of A into B is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. See, this LHS should be equal to RHS. You will not be disproving it. Be careful about this. It's a property. And be careful, it's adjoint of B madle barutte followed by A. Ulta alla. Because in a matrix multiplication, commutative property does not holds good, which already people had done it in previous chapter. So be careful about this. You can't go for ulta. Yeah. So how to prove this one? A is a matrix given. Let's find out the adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? Ready? Both elements reverse. Minus 8. This is 2. These two elements as it is only, but only sign has to be changed. Minus 3 there, plus 3. Plus 4 there, sign change, minus 4. This itself is adjoint. For B, ulta, principal diagonal elements ulta. This is 4, this is 5. Plus 3, sign change, minus 3. Minus 2, sign change, it is plus 2. This itself is adjoint. Only for 2 cross 2. 3 cross 3 bantu antandre you have to perform which already I discussed here. Like this, you have to prepare the chart, all the elements, minus sign, Shankarpale rule, then list out as it is, say transpose, and then come for this. This is adjoint for 3 cross 3. Practice should and must. Got it? Yeah. So I was here with this question and I calculated here adjoint of A as well as adjoint of B. Now let's perform AB. As the question is given for adjoint of A into B. So mal AB ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ adjoint ಹೋಗೋಣ. Got it? Yeah. So I have taken here first AB. How to perform AB? The matrix A into matrix B. First row, first column. So it is 5 2s are 10. Minus into minus plus 6. First row, second column. It is 6. It is minus 12. We have followed by second row, first column. It is 20 plus 16. Okay. Followed by, I should say, second row, second column. It is 12 and minus 32. So we're left with 16. This is minus 6. This is 36. This is minus 20. It's AB. Now let's go for adjoint of AB. That's LHS. So how to perform adjoint of AB? To find out adjoint of AB, I should say these two elements, it is minus 20, this is 16, this is minus 6, I should say sign change, this is plus 36, sign change, minus 36. This I should call it as LHS. For by RHS, and for RHS I should say it's adjoint of B into adjoint of A. So we find adjoint of B, already had done it. I wrote it here. Adjoint of A already had done it, which I taken here. First row, first column. Minus 32. It's plus 12. First row, second column. I find it to be first row, second column. 12. It is minus 6. Second row, first column, perform it, matrix multiplication, we have done it. So finally I got this as an answer. You can verify these two results are 1 and only one, which says from 1 and 2 LH is equal to RHS. So next question here we find the adjoint of A and verify this property where I is a unit matrix of order 3. So once again to go for cofactor, please make out all the cofactors to be taken, minus of, okay, should and must. This is the rule to be done for cofactor. Once we have all the cofactor, these are the elements. Please verify the calculation part. We have the transpose of this. Then I went for determinant. Determinant is also required. So determinant value, you know how to calculate. Come back with this plus, minus, plus and expand it. First row, you find 31. So out of these three results, please go for this result only first. So that you'll get the answer at the first step only. You'll not go wrong in simplification of this as well as this. So determinant value into I na madale martira. So I have taken accordingly. Determinant value into I is 31 into identity matrix. 3100 accordingly, and this is the first result. So E result matra pakka nimige, when you perform A into adjoint of A, you should get this result. If you're not getting it, see somewhere you've gone wrong in the calculation of this. Be careful about the calculation part also. Whereas you can set your mind, this should be the answer. That's why while verifying this property, first go for determinant value into I, perform this and keep it ready.